Now, finding the mod of a negative number. So for negative numbers too, let's look at how we can understand this. For negative integers, we continue adding the modulus to the negative integer or number successfully until we get a positive number. It's simple. Now the next term is, if the negative integer is divisible by the modulus, then the remainder or result is 0. So let's look at another theorem. Let's start with an example before. Let's say -2 mod 5. The first theorem is saying that we continue adding the modulus to this number until we get a positive number. If you get a positive number, the positive number becomes your result or your final answer. And listen to this theorem. If the negative integer is divisible by the modulus, if you're able to divide this number by this, then the answer is 0. By looking at this, we can't divide 2. 2 can't divide 5. Okay, so since 2 is not divisible by 5, we can't say that our answer is 0. So what we do is that we add 5 to -2. So -2 plus 5, we have 3. So the answer to the problem is 3. So -2 mod 5 is equal to 3. Or you can say -2 is equal to 3 mod 5. In order. The next example we are going to look at is -8 mod 3. -8 mod 3. So you continue adding 3 to -8 until we get a positive number. So let's add -8 plus 3. We'll get -5. -5 plus 3, we get -2. And -2 plus 3, we get 1. So the answer to the problem is -8 is equal to 1 mod 3. Now the next example, -7 mod 6. So let's add -7. We are going to add 6 to it. We get -1. Add 6 again, get +5. So therefore, -7 mod 6 is equal to 5. Or you can say -7 is equal to 5 mod 6. That's the answer. Let's look at the next example. Let's say -14 mod 2. -14 mod 2. You can clearly see that 2 can go into 14. Since 2 can go into 14, don't even waste your time. So -14 is equal to 0 mod 2. Or if possible, you can continue adding and see. So -14 plus 2, you get -12, and add 2 again, you get -10, add 2, you get -8, add 2, you get -6, add 2, you get -4, add 2, you get -2, add 2, you get 0. So the answer becomes 0. Since 2 can go into 40, so we have 0 here. The next problem, let's say -15 mod 5. -15 mod 5. Since 15 is divisible by 5, so -15 is equal to 0 mod 5 in the order. So you can try your hands on these few problems. Yeah, so based on what you've seen so far, per their theorems, you continue adding the modulus to the given integer until you obtain a positive number. As soon as you get the positive number, that positive number becomes your answer to the problem.